All right, 5-5, we're going to determine the requirements for a triangle's creation. For 10, you're going to list the angles from the smallest to largest here. All right, so to list from the angles from the smallest to largest, you want to look at its sides here. The sides here are given here, okay? That we have, for A, we have 5, 6, and then 7, okay? So let's put that in order. We have 5, which is going to be less than 6, which is going to be less than 7. Now just write its corresponding side. So this is CA, is less than 6 is CB, and which is less than AB, okay? Now you want to get its angle equivalent, okay? So CA, its opposite is going to be angle B. So we write B here. CB is right here. I'm going to put that in red. Okay, that its opposite is going to be angle A. And then we have AB. Its opposite is going to be angle C. All right, make sure you write the angle symbols. All right. Okay. So, and the less than symbols, okay? So angle B is less than angle A, which is less than angle C. That's in its correct order, okay? All right, here for B, they already put it in sort of order for you. Let's just rewrite it, okay? So 17 is the smallest, less than 18, which is gonna be less than 21. Let's just put its line, AC here, okay? Then we have, 17 is AB, 18 is AC, and 21 is BC, okay? Now you want to know what angle produces it. Well, maybe you should just draw the triangle, okay? So take a look. You can write it in any order you want, A, B, C, okay? I just wrote it in any order. AB is 17, okay? And then BC here is 21, and AC here is 18, okay? Notice AC, it's 18, which is going to be opposite to the letter B. It's the only one that's not in its name. So CA is corresponding to angle B, okay? AB, which is going to be in here, that's the 17. Its corresponding opposite is the only letter that it doesn't have, which is angle C. Then the last one, CB, is its opposite is angle A. Okay, so angle C is less than angle B, which is less than angle A. There you go. Make sure you draw the triangle, okay? All right, so that is how you list the angles from largest to greatest, from smallest to greatest.